Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gutter cleaners is probably one of the most important tools you will ever need for home maintenance, and choosing the right one can save you time, money, and frustration. Today, we will review the top-rated gutter cleaning tools available on the market, helping you pick the perfect tool to keep your gutters clean and your home protected from water damage, saving you from costly repairs and ensuring your home's structural integrity. Number 5. Orbit 58543 Gutter Cleaning Wand. This innovative tool makes cleaning your gutters easier than ever. Its telescoping design and rotating nozzle reach every corner, ensuring a thorough clean. It extends from 40 to 70 inches, allowing you to comfortably reach even the highest gutters without a ladder. No more dangerous climbs. The zinc sweeper nozzle rotates a full 180 degrees, giving you complete control over the water spray. Direct it exactly where you need it. Adjust the spray head up or down to optimize the water flow for your cleaning task. Get the perfect angle every time. It's lightweight, durable, and corrosion resistant, ensuring years of reliable use. A truly worthwhile investment. The padded foam grip provides comfort and protects your hands from cold water. Clean your gutters safely and comfortably. What we like. It extends to reach those hard-to-reach gutters, its nozzle rotates to clean every angle, and it is built to last. If you need a lightweight and durable tool for cleaning your gutters from the ground, and don't want to climb a ladder, this is the best option for you. This tool is perfect for those who value convenience and longevity in their gutter cleaning tools. What people say. The length of this was just long enough to reach my gutters from the ground. I was really surprised at the amount of pressure from this wand, it blasted everything out of the gutter. Pros: relatively lightweight, easy to connect and use, the fan shape of the spray nozzle helps scoop out debris, surprisingly powerful for a garden hose attachment, the valve section actually unscrews from the attachment itself, which means that you can switch out your attachment heads if necessary without turning off your hose. It works. I had some tree growth that had established roots which I could dislodge with difficulty. It is lightweight and easy to handle, with comfortable grips. Number 4. Doca Telescoping Pole. This versatile pole extends from 6 to 24 feet, reaching up to 30 feet with attachments. It's perfect for various tasks, all while keeping you safely on the ground. It effortlessly extends to tackle those hard-to-reach spots. No more ladders or risky maneuvers. It features a sturdy metal tip for tough jobs and an attachable multi-angle tip for added flexibility. Clean gutters, paint ceilings, or take aerial photos with ease. It's easy to store in a closet or garage. Its compact design makes it perfect for transport in any vehicle. It's compatible with a wide range of Doca pole attachments, including brushes, squeegees, and more. Get all your cleaning tasks done safely and efficiently. From window washing to tree pruning, it provides the reach and control you need for various tasks, all from the safety of the ground. What we like. This pole extends incredibly far, making it suitable for various tasks. It is versatile and can be used for multiple purposes, and it's easy to store. If you are looking for a versatile tool that can handle various tasks around your house, from gutter cleaning to window washing, and you value space-saving design, then this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a single tool for multiple jobs. What people say. Easy to use, lightweight, good extension and retraction mechanism, sturdy and looks great. It's so much better for the trees to mount my TC07 trail cam on one of these. We don't need the full 30 feet, but nice to have that flexibility. We mount the trail cam straight up and down, not at an angle, for max support for the trail cam weight. It's great, I can raise the trail cam up and down and move as needed, all in moments. No ladders. This pole is built well, sturdy, easy to use, no slipping, comfortable to grip. Fits my needs perfectly. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CMX CVBE 38640 Gutter Cleaning Kit. This kit transforms your wet-dry vac into a powerful gutter cleaning system, saving you time and effort. It easily tackles hard-to-reach areas, making gutter maintenance a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious manual cleaning. With its unique design, it powerfully sucks or blows debris from your gutters. Simply attach it to your vacuum hose. The included extension wands and nozzles reach even the most difficult areas of your gutters. No more struggling to clean hard-to-reach spots. This kit includes everything you need: a gutter nozzle, a blower nozzle, and 2 extension wands. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's compatible with CRAFTSMAN and most other wet-dry vacs that have a 2 to 1 2-inch diameter hose. Check yours to ensure compatibility. What we like. It transforms your wet-dry vac into a powerful gutter cleaning machine. It's easy to attach and use with your existing equipment, and it comes with various accessories for different cleaning needs. If you already own a wet-dry vac and are looking for a powerful and efficient way to clean your gutters, this attachment is a great choice. It's ideal for those who prefer a powerful and effective cleaning solution. What people say. Using just a 3-step ladder and a rigid 4-gallon shop vac, I can clean our gutters easily. Much better than breaking out the big ladder. This worked really well on the exhaust port of my DeWalt shop vac. It's got plenty of length and feels pretty well made, but not too heavy. I used this on my gutters and was very impressed with the results. I used the vacuum option opposed to blowing out the gutters. I didn't need a ladder for the single-story areas and it did the job fast and easy. Number 2. Ridge Washer Gutter Cleaner. This innovative attachment makes cleaning your gutters a breeze. It's designed for ease of use and superior cleaning power. The angled wand extends your reach, allowing you to clean from the ground. No more ladders or dangerous heights. It's built with solid brass and stainless steel for long-lasting performance and reliability. You can count on it for years to come. Choose the perfect nozzle for any cleaning task. It offers 5 different spray angles to tackle various dirt and debris. It's not just for gutters. It's also great for cleaning car engines and other hard-to-reach areas. Clean your gutters safely from the ground, avoiding the risks of climbing ladders. It's efficient and saves you time and effort. With a simple 1/4-inch quick connect, it easily attaches to your pressure washer. Get cleaning in seconds. It can handle the pressure. It's compatible with pressure washers up to 4,000 psi for powerful cleaning. What we like. It uses high-pressure water to blast away debris. It comes with multiple nozzles for various cleaning needs, and it's made from durable materials. If you need a powerful and efficient gutter cleaning tool that can handle tough jobs and you own a pressure washer, this attachment is a great option. It's perfect for those who value efficiency and power in their cleaning tools. What people say. The pressure is amazing. Though my gutters had been neglected after maple tree season, it did remove rooted seedlings and washed a lot of the mud out of the gutters. Product is well made, and what you get for the price is pretty impressive. Agree that it takes some practice and the product head can swivel, but I was so pleased with the results. Very easy to use. All you need is a pressure washer. Worked very well. First time did not have to fight what it did not have to struggle. Number 1. Home Gutter Cleaning Tool. This innovative tool makes cleaning your gutters a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to efficient gutter maintenance. Its unique design allows you to easily scoop and remove debris from your gutters. Cleaning your gutters has never been simpler. The threaded design provides extra strength and durability, ensuring it can handle even the toughest clogs. It's built to last. It's ideal for cleaning gutters on houses, villas, townhouses, and even ditches. It's versatile and adaptable to different settings. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. It's the perfect solution for quick and effective gutter maintenance. This tool is made from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. It's simple to use and effective at removing debris. It's designed for easy cleaning of gutters, and it's a budget-friendly option. If you are looking for a simple, effective, and affordable solution for gutter cleaning, this tool is a great choice. It's perfect for those on a budget who still want a reliable tool. What people say. After having to constantly move the ladder to clean out the gutters, this solution cut my time and labor down greatly. Using an extension pole, I was able to maneuver and reach large sections of my gutters without moving the ladder every 3 feet. Used the gutter spoon and scoop this autumn to clean out my leaf-packed gutters. It shortened the chore time by limiting how often I had to move the ladder. Instead of 8 to 9 ladder positions for the length of the house, I had 5. When doing gutters, the main thing not to do is to lean out too far away from the ladder. This tool allows you to stay even with the ladder and still clear the eaves. This can be a lifesaver. Great tool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.